Hello, my name is Vladimir Charles. I will be presenting a short summary or review of my presentation for the class of CA680D Data Management. And the project consists of gathering data from the National Basket Association and the US GDP from 1975 to 2021 and extract information to all the top 10 best team on the NBA per season, and secondly attempt to draw a correlation between team winning frequency and state GDP in the United States. In other words, can the money buy a trophy? We divided it in two parts. The first part we're gonna talk about the top 10 team, and the second part we'll try to do a projection and do some prediction to know which team might be the best or to win the championships. So we started with the setting up the environment by importing all the library we're gonna use and also importing the data. We imported the data from two different sources, one from an SQL database and the second one from a CSV file. That's a specific list we created right here. And finally, we're gonna draw all we're gonna draw the bar chart table showing an interactive one showing the top 10 best team. To draw the table, we created a function that we'll be using after, that we can reuse instead of so we have a running table or in chart that shows us all the data from 1975 to 2000, and we can scroll slowly. In the second part, we'll be playing with a little bit of machine learning, where we're going to try to predict the teams that's going to be in the top 10. From there, we created that we merge the tables right here on the GDP states. This is those two values we're going to use to do a prediction. And before we do the prediction, we're gonna use the train model function. We're gonna train our model with all the information we have. So we got the argument in the prediction to predict what the GDP what's the base GDP. So from there we can move up. So a prediction gave us that GDP, which is 481,075.55. And so let's look at our prediction numbers. So we're going to the results, and the final result to draw a chart. So the particularity of the chart is that we use two charts to make the team, and 2020 is 60% and 2021 51. Therefore, we can conclude that the more data we'll be getting, the more precise the prediction will be along the way. But it gives us a rough estimate that how many teams every year will be part of the 10 team based on the past winning record. So based on all the information we gathered, we can conclude that money cannot buy championships. And thank you very much.